Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your reading, do not try to make it yours. Okay? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, so let's see what's there for my Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, December 2021. At the back of the deck, we have death energy, something coming towards an end. Is it a situation in your life or is it your feelings which are coming towards an end? Okay, because there is some closed off energies which are coming up in your reading over here. Okay, so in the past we have 7 of Wands, 8 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. There is a feeling of closing off, in the past. You might have closed off from a person, you might have closed off from some situations, you went towards your priorities in life, and because of that you need to cut off your feelings, emotions, you became very hard from inside because of that close off things. In the present we have Queen of Wands, the Emperor and the Moon. I feel that you, from within, that emotion is still there. With the Moon energy, it means emotions. Moon always tells us about emotions, feelings from inside. You might be showing people that you are really hard, you do not think, you do not feel anything because you are the career woman or career man. You are somebody who is more involved into some other things, like passionately you are into your money making, or you are financially involved into something else, and you might become friends with people. For some of you, some girls might, if you are a woman, you might have become really tomboy energies have come up. So I'm not ready for any relationship. So in short, you have become a person who is not ready for any relationship. You are not ready to attach with someone emotionally from inside because of all the things which might happen with you in the past. That energy is here. In the coming future, we have King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. So if we think that we can be this kind of a person, so you are wrong, my dear Sagittarius. It's not going to be like that. It's not going to be the way you are thinking. It's the universal energy. If you are thinking that you will just be like this forever and ever and nothing will happen, I don't see that happening. Let's clarify now. Let's see for my Sagittarius. Let's see why the death energy is here. In the overall energy for my Sagittarius, why death energy is here. The High Priestess, 5 of Swords and 7 of Wands. Wow. I see that somebody out there made you a victim of a situation. There was a suspicious event, or you might still feel the same thing. It might be it might have happened in the past, or you might be suffering from this situation. People gathering you from all the sides, and you are fighting for yourself. This is that feeling inside. You know the real answer from inside. You know who is right and who is wrong. You know what is the truth, but you might not be able to tell the truth to people. You are just fighting for yourself at present. You're trying to tell the universe, not universe, you are trying to tell the people around there, because universe knows what is right and what is wrong. It's like you are making the other people also to tell them that, this is not right. Whatever is happening to me, whatever is going on with me at present, it's not right. You might be mistaken. You are holding your grounds over here. In the past also we have Seven of Wands, because it's coming up from the past energies. The same energies are there. This is the reason you have closed off your feelings, your emotions. Tell me about the Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands, the Hierophant, and Four of Cups. A marriage which might have not, a marriage or a person you were not able to accept that person, or that person was not able to accept you as a wife or as a husband, and there was like no communication. There was not that kind of a relationship which a person, where two people actually establish between each other. I don't see that. Eight of Cups in the past. Why is the Eight of Cups is here? Eight of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. There could be a third person involved in this situation. Could be a mother, could be a sister. Okay, female energies are here. A person who is who got involved between two people, and because of that things went away, things went upside down. You started feeling that you have been trapped by this person, and you couldn't move from that situation, and because of that you became really closed off. Tell me about the Queen of Wands in the present. I see this Queen of Wands again in the present, so it's kind of the same person again, which is affecting you a lot. King of Swords, Empress, and Two of Cups. Yes, there is a person. Queen of Wands with the Empress. There are two people in the situation who are actually, it could be out of this. One could be you, one could be another person. Might be dealing with a Leo or a Taurus, or a Libra. Two people are affecting, this person is affecting you and your marriage or your relationship or your situation around you so much that you are not able to understand what to do, because you know that you are right, but how to make other people understand that this person is affecting me and my family and surroundings around me. The Emperor energy. Why the Emperor is here? Two of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and the Magician. Although you are really very strong, Sagittarius, over here, a very strong person's energy. This is your energy with the Emperor over here. You are very strong. You know what to do. You have planned all the things. You're manifesting really good. But again, somehow you feel very negative at some situations in life. You feel that things are going upside down. Things are not happening the way you want them to happen. And it's really useless to put energies and put more energies into the situation. Why the Moon energy is here in the present? Emperor, Chariot, and Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel that when you will be taking things in your control, although you have taken things in your control, but it's a matter of action. If you put your energies into action, whatever you are planning, you are putting that into action, because you are getting some intuition, you are getting some gut feeling about a situation, and that gut feeling is correct, my dear Sagittarius. Go towards it, take actions towards it, put an end towards the situation, because after that only new things will be coming towards you. You need to end this thing. You need to. Anyhow, because your energy is coming with the Emperor. That means you are taking control of your life now. You cannot allow other people to take control of your life. They have done it in the past, but not anymore. King of Pentacles in the future. Why the King of Pentacles is here? Ace of Wands, Six of Wands, and Eight of Cups. See again, you are leaving the situation. You are entering into something new, something positive, because something is coming towards you also. You need some clarity with this situation of yours. You need that clarification. I think that clarification is also coming towards you. Seven of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Judgment. See, once you are going to take that decision, I feel that a communication, if you are not able to communicate with a person, or you're not able to end the situation, because for a situation to end, with somebody else, you need to talk. If there is no communication happening, and when you will take a step for ending, there is a communication which will come towards you. People will try to approach you in the near future, because you will be clear. You will not be in that dilemma what to do, what not to do. You are clear, and then the communication will happen if the communication is not happening yet. So for that, some decision making has to be done by you and not by the other person. This is you who is taking some decision for yourself, and things will abruptly change. The things which are holding, which are coming towards you, feel that it's like stagnant. It will start to move after you will take a step towards it. So do not wait for something to happen by itself. It's you only who needs to take a decision making. Otherwise, it will be same like this with the 4 of Swords and 2 of Swords. It will be same. It will go on repeatedly, you will just enter into a cycle. Nothing will happen, nothing will end by itself. But if you take that decision, you will get the things what you want to achieve in life. You are going to have that happy moments, because you are the one who took a decision for yourself, not somebody else. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.